Good morning, FASA members. Welcome to the FASA Minute. The temporary import permits is now online. Your clients will be able to apply online for the temporary fire import permits. On the first page, there's a couple of fields to complete. That will populate the SAPS 520, and that will make it a lot easier for the clients so they don't need to go through the SAPS 520 form to fill it out. They will be guided after that to upload the different documents that's needed, passports, itineraries, etc. Please tell them that they upload the documents separately and only upload what has been requested each time. They will be guided from page to page to upload the different documents. They will also be able to book their Menzies meet and greet, where they are met by Menzies officials as they get off the gate, and guided through the process through customs and collecting the baggage up to the police station. Then the awards will be on the FASA website hopefully by next week, and applications will open up. Please apply for the awards. Go and look what you are that you think you can apply for. It's prestigious awards, and it definitely means something for the industry if you apply and show what people are busy doing. Then we've got a display for Maven now in the office. You will be able to come and look at the products if you're interested in some of them. FASA members get a 40% discount from Maven. Their optics are really good and value for money. We're shortly going to roll out a program as well where new PHs that is busy getting into the industry will get more discount on their first optics, that they can start off with the necessary optics and equipment that they need. From a legal points that's coming up, the first line prohibition notice will be enacted shortly and then signed into law. That will restrict the opening of new lion farms or breeding facilities. The second prohibition notice for lions is also in process. That will then restrict sanctuaries and facilities that is registered for people that is exiting the lion industry, that those industries are not allowed to utilize the lions and are not allowed to breed them, and certain actions. We will see as soon as that notice becomes public what we can do about it. We wish the new minister the best in his position. The DFFE minister is in a hot seat, and we hope that we will shortly hear back from him about the quota. Unfortunately, Minister Oukamp was unable to finish it in his term. So let's hope that this gets sorted quickly. This past week, me and Ilse were in KwaZulu-Natal to look at areas that has been identified and landowners and outfitters that are willing for us to do the leopard research on it. Thank you for all those people that has made their land available for research. We hope that we will bring value to their areas. The next areas that we will be looking at and going to is Mpumalanga, and then we will go to the Northern Cape as well. Happy hunting, guys. See you soon again.